Hey, Stupid Archer here. I'm back with a new bow restoration. I got this old Yamaha RECURVE, end of 70s, maybe start of 80s, quite old bow, and it has lots of problems, lots of damage. We'll try to restore it to the best of my ability. It's another day, and after hours and hours of meticulous sanding, I'm ready to fill up those holes, those ugly holes that are ruining this beautiful middle piece. So I'm trying to put some sanding dust into the cracks and fill them up with a super glue, and then I will sand it. After that, we will see how it will turn out. The holes are filled. I will still put some sanding material in them, and I will sand it down, and later we will see the results, hopefully. So the bow is shooting quite good. I was managing to put limb twist away or to fix it by adjusting the string grooves, the string channel on a limb, and by mechanically twisting a limb all over the time. Is straight as it ever going to be, so it will shoot quite good. I fixed the cracks in the glass with super glue and sand dust from the glass, sand it away, and we will put some matte varnish on it after I'm done. I'm doing the same thing with the nasty looking cracks in the riser on the belly side. Make a little slushy with my trusty nail. Make a little slushy. These cracks will be visible, but they're flush and they're not having any problems, same as those holes. They're all flush and filled up. Next move is to clean this bow of dust and see what we did. After quite a lot of sanding again, I think I'm finally done with this bow. The holes are filled. You will still see the holes, light colored wood, so it will show up on it, but it doesn't matter. It's getting late. I will finish this bow tomorrow. I will put the varnish on it, so I will film it tomorrow. I gotta eat something because the day was long, so I'll see you tomorrow. This project have turned into kind of crazy. I'm trying things out, I guess. I was not satisfied with that light color of the bow, so I colored it yesterday kind of dark brown. I don't see any wood grain on it, so I decided to make artificial wood grain with some color markers, and I will put another coat of the varnish to seal that all together. I hope it works. This is kind of a Frankenstein bow now, I believe. I will put some of the artificial wood grain on it. Just wanna see what I can do with different materials and try to learn this process. Maybe it will come to be useful in the future, so let's see. But I tried it here, and I don't know if you see, but it looks almost as a wood grain. If you watch quite carefully, you see it's not, but doesn't matter, it looks good, and it's a project bow to learn stuff, to test for the future project. So I will show you how I do this artificial wood grain. So I have dark brown, light brown, and black, and I take some light brown and just smear it with my fingers. Then I go with some dark and I just smear it with my finger. And to the creativity, there is no limits here, because you just try to make it natural as possible. I hope you can get the point I'm making, but see, just try to reproduce the wood grain. So just straight lines, pull it with the finger in one direction. Trying to mix up the colors, blend them into each other, so that we get something what could look like a wood. And you can see it looks kind of like a wood. After varnish is on it, it will look, I guess, even better. A fake wood grain is done. Look at it. Looks kind of amazing. I'm very pleased with it, so I will put some varnish on it, and hopefully looks good with varnish. So the bow has dried, and this is the final result. I'm very pleased with it. So it is a fake wood grain made with some Posca pens. I'm just more or less coloring it in a wood grain, and it turned out amazing. This bow is really busted. That's why I decided to color, because there's some cracks which I have fixed. There are some screws in it, you don't even see any. Here are some screws to reinforce the middle piece, and it looks like a, at least to my eye, looks like a real wood grain. Write what you think. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.